Welcome back to the Blockchain Trust Fund Baby University, and I am back with another video, you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram about what exchanges to use, how do you deposit, withdraw, how do you transfer, stuff of this nature. So if anybody knows me, I have learned from Chicago Crypto Bully. He was my mentor for a long time and still is my mentor. But I was taught how to operate the decentralized way, aka DeFi. A lot of you guys have been onboarded the easy way, I would say, because it's centralized. So we call that CEFI. So what I'm doing is taking you from CEFI to DeFi in a seamless way, utilizing a decentralized exchange, a VPN, and this is what the video will be about today. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some of the some of the CeFi exchanges that a lot of you guys have told me that you're on. And one for sure I know is Binance, crypto.com, and what is the other one? Coinbase. So all of those are centralized platforms, meaning they need your they need your identification. They need information about who you are. So if you trust these people, then I guess that's what how you are most comfortable with, getting onboarded. But also, they when they say no keys, no cheese, that's just a slang for you're giving away your rights to your cryptocurrency because you do not own, right, or control, better words, you do not control your own digital assets. So the reason why people like to go the decentralized way is because they can actually control their digital assets, right? Nobody truly owns it because it is stored on the blockchain, quote unquote. But as far as you having a majority of the control over your assets is the way that I want to teach you guys today. So Binance, absolutely centralized. Crypto.com, absolutely centralized. Coinbase, absolutely centralized. And unfortunately, Qcoin has been added to the centralized list as well. And also, I checked out OKX, in that marketplace is also centralized as well. So let's go on to seeing which exchanges are decentralized. Okay, so decentralized means there is no third parties. Okay, so let's go to mexc.com. And before I actually log into the mex.com account, what I'm going to show you is a VPN that I set up. What I'm going to do is disconnect from Japan, and I am going to connect to the Netherlands. Um, and this is a free VPN. I have a Proton Mail. Anything that I do operate outside of Proton Mail when it comes to business, when it comes to crypto. So I don't. I believe Mex does not accept Proton Mail. So what I did was just make um, I would say a anonymous Gmail account, just so that I can be able to operate over here with this exchange. So let me find the Netherlands right really quickly. Here we go. So I'm just going to connect to the Netherlands. Once this is connected, I will then go back to mexc.com. So I am connected now. Now all I will have to do is log in. As you can see, there was a message that said your location is restricted. So make sure that you follow these steps. Okay. I want to make this really short and sweet, straight to the point. But this is pretty much easy. What I'm going to do is just use my email account that I told you guys that I created so that I can open up an account here with Mex. And what they're going to do is have me slide to complete the puzzle. And now I'm just going to I already have it pretty much saved in my password. I have a MEX authenticator on my phone. So please make sure that you download the MEX authenticator on your phone so that you can have a form of verification. Okay, now that we are on MEX, I'm going to break down and walk you through how to do the verification. It's a non KYC. All you need to do is download MEX Authenticator and also verify with your email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to security under the little human person, and it's going to say two-factor authentication. So make sure that you have this downloaded, the MEX or Google Authenticator, and then email verification. Once you do these two steps, you're able to then scroll down and enable your withdrawal settings. So this is for faster withdrawals, okay? After you have done this, go ahead and go back to your wallet because now we're going to do the entire deposit and withdrawal. I'm just going to walk you through. I'm not actually going to send any currency here. I just want you to get a gist of how you can transfer from CFI to DeFi, okay? So I'm going to go to deposit and say that you have a Coinbase account and you want to withdraw. Make sure that you're getting your withdrawal address with the appropriate cryptocurrency asset, and you're going to send it over here to MEX. So what I mean is you're going to select a digital currency. I'm just going to put USDT, right? And then it's going to ask you which network because USDT is on a lot of different networks. So make sure you choose the network of your choice. I'm going to choose, I'm just going to say Solana just for the uh, heck of it. It says Solana network is experiencing a congestion. So there might be a delay in your deposit. Click confirm. Once you confirm, it's going to give you an actual Solana address. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, copy it, right? And it says, important, it says minimum deposit amount 0.001 USDT, okay? Expected arrival at 100 network confirmation. So when you see, if you go to your transaction ID and you see 100 network confirmations, then you'll know it is confirmed on the blockchain and you'll be receiving it within no time. Also, now that you have accepted, I mean, not accepted, copied that wallet address, I'm just going to show you. Pretend like you're on Coinbase and you're doing your withdrawal thing, right? I mean, you're doing your deposit. You're basically going to go to your withdrawal tab in Coinbase, whatever that looks like to you, right? And you're going to send, quote unquote, we're just going to do this for walkthrough purposes, okay? So I've chose USDC. I'm again select the deposit network. I'm going to choose Solana. Same message. Confirm. Boom. Generate my address, my depositing address. Boom. It says to ensure the security of your deposit, we have sent the deposit address information to your linked address. So they're basically telling you to triple double check your deposit address. I'm going to disable this. I'm gonna click cancel. What I'm gonna do is copy this wallet address. Now we can go back to my Phantom wallet and try this again. So pretend like you're on Coinbase and you're in your withdrawal settings or your sending settings, and you're gonna choose send. You're gonna choose USDC. You're then going to paste your Coinbase quote unquote wallet address here, and you're going to put the max amount. You need at least more than 5 USDC or more than 5 USDT if you are interacting with a stable coin. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to hit next right here. I'm really not, but you guys would hit next and then you would hit confirm. Okay. Boom. You're out of Coinbase now. Now your Coinbase assets are going to come over here to the DeFi exchange, which is MEX. So then it would be considered your MEX assets, okay, on the blockchain. And for you guys who want to learn how to offboard to get crypto back to fiat, we're going to go to spot trading. Once it pulls up on the right hand side, they're going to have a list of cryptocurrency trading pairs, and you would just basically choose the trading pair of your choice. So if I'm interacting, choose Bitcoin, okay, and then this can basically roll into offboarding, okay. So here it says available zero. Of course, I don't have any over here, but anyway. Then it says buy BTC or sell BTC. I don't have BTC yet. I want to buy BTC, so I will put in my amount here. I would choose either a limit or a market order. A market order will go through like instantly versus a limit order. You probably would have to wait until your order is picked up. Okay. So then you would choose buy BTC. It would go through. Once you have BTC, you guys, now this is the offboarding part. You would go back to your wallet. You would then go to withdraw. Once this pulls up, your withdrawal, you can now convert your crypto back into fiat if that's what you want to do. So you would just select the cryptocurrency that you traded it for, which was BTC. You would then take your address from Cash App. Okay, you guys. So Cash App does send, spend, bank, and buy stocks or Bitcoin. So make sure your Bitcoin is enabled on Cash App. They do have a depositing address for your Bitcoin for you to receive Bitcoin to your Cash App. Go ahead and choose go ahead and choose that option. Once you choose that option of the wallet address, deposit address, you would then paste it here. That's we're going to pretend. And then we're going to hit BTC. We're going to hit amount. We're going to put in amount. Then we're going to put in remarks. If there are any remarks, you can leave that blank. Once you submit, because I don't have BTC, it's not going to allow you to see the notification that they're going to give you. This is where your MEX authenticator and your email address comes in handy. Okay, so verify, put in that number for your MEX authentication, and then put in the number from your email verification. So make sure that you always have both of those pulled up when you are withdrawing or doing any type of interaction over here on the EMEXC platform. So once you confirm and verify email and MEX authenticator, hit submit. Once you hit submit, allow some time for those blocks to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once everything is confirmed, you will get a notification from Cash App that says you have X amount of sats that has been deposited into your depositing address. Once you deposit it, all you have to do is just sell your Bitcoin. Once you sell your Bitcoin, it will turn into fiat in your Cash App portfolio. So that's all for today. Peace, love, and prosperity from CEFI to DeFi.